Hey everybody, welcome back to Hobart's Reviews. My name is Hobart. So recently I posted my video on the Nanrobot electric scooter seat, installation, review, all that good stuff. And while I absolutely love the seat, there were a couple things that I wish that I could change. One of them being a little bit longer seat post, which I took care of out of necessity, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. And the other one was the seat. The seat is comfortable, don't get me wrong. It's more comfortable than a regular bike seat any day of the week. But was there something that was even more comfortable that I could put on this thing? I take 20-mile rides, and sometimes, you know, after a few miles, you gotta adjust because it starts to hurt a little bit, or you gotta stand up. Well, I started doing some research online, and I kept seeing this company called Giddy Up. They were people raving about their seats. They said that they had a 1-year warranty, memory foam in their seats. The reviews were 4 and 5 stars, saying they were high quality. So I thought, hey, let me go ahead and reach out to Giddy Up so I can find out a little bit more about their seats. Well, they ended up offering to send me 2 of their seats to try out myself. So I said, okay. And they ended up sending me this one here, which is the Giddy Up Comfort padded bike seat with built-in LED. And they also sent me this guy right here, which is their indoor-outdoor XXL seat. So let me go ahead and first tell you what you get with every Giddy Up bike seat. You're gonna get a 1-year warranty, so if anything happens, that anytime in that first year, you contact them, they say they'll take care of you, no questions asked. You're also gonna get this cool rain cover with every seat. Now their seats are waterproof, but you can have a little bit of added protection with your seat cover. And they're gonna give you this reflective arm or leg band, whichever you desire, to be able to ride at night and be seen. And you're gonna get your Allen key and your little mini wrench so that you can install it on your e-bike or your Peloton or even your electric scooter. So let's go over this one first. I'll take off the cover. This is the padded comfort seat with built-in LED. So the dimensions on this guy, they're 11 inches long, this is 8 inches wide, and this is 4 inches thick. It's got memory foam padding on the top, so it's nice and comfortable. You've got this spring suspension in the back, so it's nice and comfortable when you're riding and not too bumpy. And then of course you've got the built-in LED, which is nice and sleek. They do include batteries in here, so you don't have to worry about getting any batteries. It will work right out of the box. And let me show you how it works. One click, you're gonna get a solid light. Another click, you're gonna get fast blinking. The third click gives you slow blinking, and that fourth click will turn the LED light off. You've got your Giddy Up logo right here on the back, and it's a little bit bigger than a standard bike seat, so this one might be pretty comfortable. We'll have to find out in our road test here in just a few minutes. Now, let me show you the other one that they sent me, which is the XXL indoor-outdoor bike seat. This thing is huge. Dimensions on this are 13.8 inches wide, 12.2 inches long, and 5 to 6 inches thick right here. Now, you can see we've got the Giddy Up logo. You've also got that spring suspension here to make things nice and comfortable when you're riding. And as you notice, this is the only seat they have. It's got this little ridge here. Now, this little ridge is supposed to be good to help your back when you're riding. So during the test ride, we'll have to find out if that does anything. Now, all their bike seats also come with that universal adapter, and if you have a standard bike seat post, then that's no problem. But I ran into a little bit of problem with mine because that is what I got on the top of my Nanrobot seat post. It's not a standard post, so I really couldn't fit these guys on here without getting a new seat post. So I ended up buying this off of Amazon. It's only 15 bucks. It's aluminum. It's got this new super fast and easy installation bracket up top here, so it just goes on in a matter of seconds. We all know the standard universal adapter that comes on most seats. There's like 6 pieces that you have to hold in line and pray to the Lord to get that bolt through before everything falls out, you know what I mean? So this makes it super easy to install a seat on there. All right, well, I got my knee and my elbow pads on. I am ready to go for a ride. So we'll start off with the comfort bike seat with built-in LED. So let me go ahead and install it real quick and we'll head on out. All right, we're all set and ready to go. Let me go ahead and get my gloves and my helmet on and we'll go out for a ride. Let's go. Well, that was a lot of fun. Pretty nice bike seat there. It's pretty comfortable. I like it so far, but I can't make my decision until we take this off and put on this XXL seat and go take a ride. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, we're all set and ready to go. Let's go out for another ride with the XXL seat post. Let's go. Well, all right. That was a lot of fun. Both seats are really nice. Let's go ahead and get to some pros and cons. Let me get these pads off. Always wear your safety gear, people. There was a guy named Dave on Facebook just today that I saw. Dave, if you're watching, he didn't take my advice. He says he watched my video where I talked about safety gear, and he was going 15 miles an hour and ended up crashing and messing up his knees and his hip and everything else. So while maybe a pain in the butt, wear your safety gear because you never know when you might crash. So let's get to our pros and our cons. We'll start off with this guy right here. What do I like about this bike seat? Well, I like the fact that it is nice and paddy. It's got that memory foam in there. I love the LED in the back. I do a lot of riding at night, so this is really helpful for me. I also like the suspension, those springs. You can definitely feel it when you're riding. And I also like that it's a little bit bigger than a regular bike seat. So for those of you who have a really small, hard bike seat, this will be a good choice. But it's not the best choice for an electric scooter. And let me explain why. When you're on one of these guys right here, all your weight is focused in one little point. You have no pedals, you have no handlebars to lean on, you're sitting on that one point. If you have something small like this or a little bit harder than this guy, then you're gonna be focusing all that pressure in between your legs, and after just a couple miles, you're gonna have to, adjust or stop and stand up. So when it comes to the electric scooter, I would go with the XXL. The problem is I've seen a lot of complaints where people who are riding pedaling bikes, like an exercise bike, Peloton, mountain bikes, road bikes, say that this extra wide seat inhibits their pedaling a little bit. So they weren't big fans of it on pedaling bikes. Well, this I think would be perfect. So if you're going for a bike that pedals, I would say choose this guy right here. If you're gonna go for an electric scooter like I've got, I'd say go ahead and get the XXL. And the reason is while that weight is all focused on that one point, you have this nice wide seat that cradles your rear end, and it does not focus all that weight on one point. So depending on what you're gonna be using it for, both seats are great. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to both of them if you wanna buy them. And I'm gonna put a link to this seat post right here in case you're in the same situation as me and you wanna change that seat post in order to mount the Giddy Up bike seats. And thanks again for joining me. That's all the time that I've got today. I've had a lot of fun. The ride was fun. These seats are really nice. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if I've earned it. So next time I put out a video, you will be notified. And don't forget to check out the new website, hobartsreviews.com. Thanks again for joining me, friends. Have a good day and we'll see you next time.